Okay, let's get rid of that. So we're going to be driving into Macau. We're going over to a bridge. We're on one of the longest bridge, and we're going to go right into Macau. So maybe you can see a little bit to the left. Okay, stay tuned. Another driving video. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're on one of the bridges. This is the longest bridge in Macau. It goes from Taipa to Macau. To the right, you can see part of that goes to the Hong Kong. They're building all that land over there. It's tons and tons of cranes over there right now. And they're going to be a bunch of apartment buildings. It's all reclaimed. Straight ahead is Zhuhai, China, and then to the left is the northern part of Macau. So we're going to be going, you can see here's the signage right here. So Ponte, Hong Kong Bridge, Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau. Oh dang, that motorbike is going to come into my lane. Yeah, that's the other thing you're going to see too, is some of the driving here, because I'm going to go right into the mess of everything. So we have a choice to Centro. I'm just going to go right into the mess of, if I go to the left, I'll start kind of dangling over towards middle part of Macau, but I want to go right up to the border part. And we're just going to leave the camera on for a good 5 minutes, just so you can kind of see some of the traffic and what I'm going to be seeing myself. And yeah, the 73S bus, that goes to the University of Macau campus, way in the southern part. And it goes all the way up through this bridge to the northern part, kind of near the China ferry terminal, or sorry, China border. This bus right here is a Galaxy shuttle bus. It looks like it's also going to go to the border. So we're pretty close to the border right now. That sign up above says Portas do Cerco, which is like the border, basically. I'm assuming it's the same in the Chinese. Looks like now we got a little bit of traffic. So yeah, we're, let me see what else can I show you. To the directly above is some really nice apartments, and there's a nice little bridge. This bridge basically just goes for people just to walk along the waterfront. It doesn't really have any purpose. People aren't coming on this bridge to walk to anything else except to waterfront. And traditionally that waterfront was that was the only thing that was there, was this ocean, but now there's all the reclaimed land for the bridge to Hong Kong. So that's a little bit different. Looks like we're gonna be caught up in a little bit of traffic, so maybe I'll just turn this off. I'll turn it back on when we get a little further. I'm gonna turn it on because it says Avenida da Ponte da Amizade, so the Avenida of the Bridge of Friendship. So that's the name of this bridge. It's kind of a cool building. The bus is blocking it right now, and it's a little bit hard to see anyways. I mean, there's a lot of stuff visually for you guys to look at. So I think I'm going to be forced to take a left in a minute, and I'm going to try to find some parking, and then I'll probably end the video. Okay. If I can find some parking, it would be amazing. It's not easy to find parking at all. But anyways, we might just close the video right now, because I think we've got enough of the city. Here's another pedestrian crossing. We'll keep that on for that. You can see how the motorcycles kind of go around everything, right? So when you're driving, you got motorcycles that go all around, wherever they go wherever they want to go. And then you got pedestrians who basically have the right of way. They just walk. There's no cross. There's no red light or anything like that. They just walk across. And if I saw some parking here, it would be amazing. But of course I don't, so if I saw parking anywhere, it'd be amazing. Parking is really hard to find in Macau. I think I'm going to see how the motorcycle is gonna go around me. And then of course the buses don't always stay in their lane when they So I have to go around a little bit, which means I have to go into the other lane a little bit. But then you got a motorcycle right here that's trying to go in between cars. So the other one is honking their horn because the motorcycle shouldn't be doing that. These ones are all to the left. All those cars are illegally parked. This guy's walking wherever he wants to walk. This taxi is a little bit out, so he's pushing me into the other lane. And there's some people going up there. And then look at this. There's people who are... There's a sidewalk right there, but they're walking right in the wrong spot. That's why I honked my horn, because there's a sidewalk to the left. If they shouldn't walk in the road, the traffic. And actually now we're at the border, so look at that. Amazing. So that right there is Zhuhai straight ahead. Wow. Yeah, if I could find some parking, that would even be more amazing. And that bridge is the one that I just was on a little while ago. Kind of went in a circle here. And I think I'll turn it right off, right here, off now. So hope you enjoyed all that. Chiquinha, chiquinha.